So for those that have been asking me questions on how to add your webmail to your phone, this is how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Gmail on your phone, maybe iOS or Android. Go to the three dots by the top left side, go to order, and you enter the email address you have set up on your hosting account. In this case, let's say hosting at ahidafrica.org. Then you enter your password. That's the password of the email that you created. Then it will ask you for your server. Now your server is the hosting server that you got when you bought your hosting account. But if this is your first year of setting it up, then all you need to do is just enter your website. It's going to get the server by itself. But if it's the second year, it might not really get it. So there are two settings you are doing. You are setting up both the incoming server and the outgoing server. So for the outgoing server, you're going to do the same thing. Enter a username, which is your email account that you created, your password, and the SMTP server, which is the server you got from your host. Or you can chat up your hosting account, your hosting company to give you the server. And it's going to show you a dashboard like this, which shows that it has been created. But don't expect it to show automatically. You have to go back to your app to, it's going to ask you for your name that you want to show on the email. So in this case, I put Tosin Okunjude, and then the next thing is you scroll down. If you check so well, you're going to see it there. It says Tosin at iDavica.org. So that is it. So it has been set up. If this is the first time of watching, then you're going to wait for some time. Let me say that, so that it's going to reflect, all your emails. Is going to, that's if you've been receiving emails and you'll be using webmail on desktop. So we are through with it, and that's all. So if this is your first time watching our videos, please make sure to subscribe. I would like to, see you watch the next video. And if you have any question or you need setup or you want to create a business email, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you, and bye for now.